Wow, it's so pretty. Hello everybody, my name is Allana. So today I'm going to be showing you guys two of my favorite foundations from Almay. First being the Smart Shade Makeup, which is the lighter, more everyday wear one, and then the Clear Complexion Foundation, which is the more heavy duty bad boy for when you need a little bit more coverage. Depending on the day, depending on what I'm doing, I need a different foundation for a different occasion.
There's no distance in between, darling, you and me, make this thing.
So the first foundation I want to talk to you guys about is the Smart Shade Makeup. This is an amazing foundation. It has SPF 20 in it, so it's really perfect for those days where you just want a light wash of something, evening out the skin tone, and you're also going to be protected from the sun. And what's super cool about this is it has skin tone matching technology. It comes out white, like so. And if you guys can see, it has these black beads chilling in there. And as you blend the product out, it blends in to match your skin tone. Look at that magic. So the Smart Shade Makeup comes in 6 different shades ranging from light to dark, and because of the magical skin tone matching technology, it's going to match a wide spectrum of skin tones. So it's going to apply white at first, and then as I blend it in, you guys are going to see that it is going to blend to match my skin tone. And it's super light, it feels amazing. It's really moisturizing as well. And it has a really nice light wash of coverage, but you can still see my freckles. And because it has that SPF, it's gonna be perfect to put on for every day. You can kind of go about your business. You can go play some volleyball, go get some groceries, whatever you want. As you're applying it and as it's blending it, it almost just looks like a second skin. Not even a second skin. It just looks like your skin. It really is magic. Look at that. Redness, be gone. So I'm just gonna finish up the other side, and as you guys can see, as the foundation has settled into the skin, it just gives the most natural finish. It still looks like your skin. It just covers up all of the redness. It smooths out the skin, and you're just left with such a beautiful, radiant, natural finish. And you can't even see that it's on your skin. For a foundation that's gonna get me through every day on a daily basis, this is perfect. And to finish off this everyday base, just to make it a little bit more flawless, I'm gonna use the Smart Shade Concealer. It's the same skin tone matching technology as the foundation. When it comes out, it's white. And then as you blend it in, it also blends in to match your skin tone. And I got a little bit of dark circle action going on here, so I'm just gonna focus this underneath the eyes. It's also a perfect concealer for underneath the eyes because it doesn't crease, it covers up those dark circles, but it still has that natural finish. Voila. And now that I've got my flawless everyday base, I'm gonna finish off the look with a little bit of blush and a little bit of gloss. It smells like vanilla heaven. And your everyday look is complete, and I'm ready to head out the door. I'm now gonna take the So Basic Makeup Remover Wipes, B-A-E, basic, get it? I'm gonna use one of these, and we'll go into the next foundation. The second foundation I'm gonna show you today is the Clear Complexion Makeup. I used to have really terrible, severe breakouts, and you would always feel really weirdly guilty about putting foundation on it, and this is going to be perfect for when you're having one of those breakout days. You just need a lot more coverage. This foundation has salicylic acid in it, so you don't have to feel badly about putting a higher coverage foundation on those breakouts, because it's actually going to help to soothe and heal the breakout while it's on your face, which is amazing. So that's the Clear Complexion Makeup. Now I'm going to apply it onto my skin and show you guys how it looks and how it wears. So let's get into it. As I mentioned before, I used to have really horrible cystic acne breakouts, and I wouldn't want it to be shown, but I also always felt weird and guilty about putting a really thick covering foundation onto the breakouts. And so what's lovely about this foundation is that it's going to give you that coverage that you need to cover the breakout, but it's also going to be healing and soothing those breakouts at the same time. And as you can see, it's just spreading over the skin so beautifully. It's so easy to apply. So this foundation has a little bit more coverage than your typical everyday looking foundation. It also feels incredibly soothing on the skin. I'm not getting any tightness or dryness, even though it is a more natural matte finish. It feels amazing. It makes your skin feel very fresh. Some of you may have used this product in the past, but Almay is re-releasing it with a new formula, and it has the maximum strength salicylic acid in it, so it's gonna have more fighting power against those pesky little breakouts. So for those of you who don't know, the salicylic acid is not only gonna help to treat the breakouts that you already have existing on your skin, but it's also gonna help to prevent future breakouts from happening as you're applying and using the foundation. So this is the finished makeup look using the Clear Complexion foundation. I added a smoky eye and a berry lip, and I think it's the perfect makeup look to add to this foundation for any event or night out or occasion that you need it for. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Almay if you want to see more videos like this, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!